Good morning. The purpose of this video is to illustrate how to use the ping command. The ping command can be a very simple tool in diagnosing bad networks. Okay, first thing we need to do is open up the command prompt. Click the start button. In the dialog here, type in 3 letters, CMD, Charlie Michael David. Hit enter on your keyboard, and we have our black box pop up. Just going to bring this box a little bigger. Okay, the ping command is simple, P-I-N-G, the name of the server you want to ping, in this case Google. And we're going to put a couple switches on this ping command. The first switch is the number of packets we want to send and hopefully receive back. That is done with a -N for number, space, the number of packets we want to send, in this case 20. The next flag we want is the size of the packet. I like a packet a little larger than the default, so -L 256 will send a 256 byte packet, and that's it. We hit enter on the keyboard. We see the ping requests going out to Google. Google server responds, yep, I got the ping, and sends back a response to our computer, and that round trip is measured in milliseconds. So there's the 20 out, and it looks like we're going to get 20 back. When that completes, we'll get the statistics. Here they are. We sent 20. We got back 20, therefore 0% loss, and our average speed was 15 milliseconds. So this is a very healthy network connection. No packets were lost, and a very fast connection. If you're on perhaps a Wi-Fi network, you might be able to tolerate 1 or 2% packet loss. On a wired connection, I would think anything more than 1% would be unacceptable. This depends, of course, on the type of network connection you have and the applications you're using. But those are my general guidelines. Thank you. Okay, next we're going to do a constant ping, similar to the one we just did, but this time rather than limit ourselves to 20 packets, we're just going to have the pings go out and come back continuously until we tell it to stop. So it's PING space google.com. I like Google because they give very fast responses and they'll always accept our pings. Space. Now this time the switch is T, and we're going to put the byte length of 256 again, just like before. Now when we hit enter, the pings are going to go out and they're going to come back, and this will run forever and ever and ever until we tell it to stop. This is useful if you're perhaps on a laptop and you want to move around your house to find out, where your pings are being lost mostly. But we can see on my wired connection here I'm not losing any packets. So I'm going to unplug my computer as a test to illustrate what a dropped packet looks like. So 1 second, please. Okay, there we go, general failure. This will sometimes read packet not received or packet lost or some other error. I'm going to plug my computer back into the router, and our pings should respond, or pings should continue. There we go. Okay, so it looks like we lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 10 packets here. That'll be reflected in our statistics. Why don't we stop the constant ping now, and we'll take a look at those. So to stop the constant ping, on the keyboard you hit Control-C. Okay, and we can see here that we sent 66 packets, but only 54 came back, resulting in an 18% loss. This would be a very unhealthy network connection. So you would begin to troubleshoot that. But that isn't for another video. Right now, this is just showing you how to use the ping command to troubleshoot or to identify a poor network connection. Thank you.